Today I'm going to show you my main ingredients for our Nasi Lemak Asli Mesti Kau-Kau. I have garlic. I will need about maybe 5 cloves, ginger, a piece, and 2 pieces of kunyit, fresh kunyit. You have shallot, about a handful of shallot, about 5 pieces, big onions, 2 pieces, chili to your taste. You can cut, you can throw away the seeds if you don't like spicy, and you have 2 sticks of lemongrass. This is the main ingredients. Before this will be blend. Now we need to also add in belacan. This is the prawn paste. To make the taste sweet, I put gula melaka, some salt. The sourness taste of the sambal, you need to have tamarind juice, asam jawa, and of course, to make it more spicier, those people who like it will be chili paste. And of course, to feel the crunchiness when you eat the sambal, you need to fry this ikan bilis. This is the anchovies, tiny anchovies been peeled. It's very tasty. Put some oil. Yeah, I'm going to fry all the ingredients which I blend with a slow low heat. Once you see the oil have been break from this ingredient this we fried, you can add in your chili ball or the chili paste to the taste that you like. If it's too spicy, don't add in too much. And stir it for another while until it blend together and start to have the oil breaking again. Pecah minyak. In our local term, we call it pecah minyak. Now I'm going to add in more onion because I love a lot of onion. Then you can feel the crunchiness when you eat the sambal later on. I'm going to put in some taste now of the gula melaka to make it more yummy. The sweetness and the saltiness, not too many of this salt. To the taste later on, you can add in more. Let it cook for a while. This is the tamarind juice, and also same, you need to add it the sourness, more of the tamarind juice. Then I add in the ikan bilis. Wow, so tasty now. Yes, finally it's done. Next step, we're going to do the rice, the Nasi Lemak rice, which is very important. Fry the serai, shallot, ginger, and some garlic. Once the onion, the ginger, and the garlic, and the serai start to turning a little bit of brownish and the aroma is coming up, you add in the rice, shredded rice. Stir fry evenly to get it mixed up. You can put direct without frying, it's okay also. Transfer it into your rice cooker. Then you add in the coconut milk. To me, I use half a packet because I don't want it to be too. Then I add in the water. Give a quick stir once you have the portion of water and the rice evenly. Then you sprinkle some salt to get to the taste. And throw in your pandan leaf. There you go. We can boil the rice now. Wow, look at this sambal. This is real homemade asli, sambal asli we prepared just now. I couldn't wait to try it. I'm going to show you the rice that I cooked this morning together. Yeah, and then this is the sambal.